Hi everybody, the Corinne here, and today I am going to show you one of my brand new subscription services. This is Ipsy MyGlam bag, and it comes in this bright pink, pretty package container thing. Okay, and let's see. Oops, clumsy. And that is just a ticket thing, and this is the card that tells you what's inside. This is the bag that it comes in. Every month it comes in a new little makeup bag. Let's see. First we have nail polish, and it is by that brand. Let's see what color it is. That's cute. Not normally my style, but I will definitely try it. And what is next? And this is healthy, sexy hair. Cute. Let's see. It is 2 cosmetics. Okay. Of course, it is taped shut. Oh, I didn't get the little earth colored one. But here's what they look like. Let's see if I can get a little swatchy swatch. I don't know if you can see that because it's so glary. Oh, there we go. Okay. And let's do the other one. Oh, that is so very, very pink. Eep. Okay, those are the 2 swatches. I don't know if I'll wear them because I'm very pale and pink doesn't seem to go well. Okay, I really hope this isn't a bright pink one. This is Blush by Be a Bombshell in Sweet Cheeks. Oh, and it is bright pink. Let's see if we can get a swatch of that. Oops. Okay. And I think that is everything in my bag for this month. Yep. And if you want to get your own Ipsy MyGlam bag, then you can go sign up on their website. I will put the link below. And just so you know that there is a waiting list. And personally, I was on the waiting list for like 6 weeks, 7 weeks, but it's a lot sooner now. So it's like 2 to 4 weeks, I think. And I hope you liked my unbagging video, and have a good day, everybody. Bye.